All right, if you have an LG refrigerator and you want to make it cooler or warmer, and it looks like this is basically your freezer is on top and the refrigerator is on the bottom. I'm here to help you to do that. Now, keep in mind that there's one compressor in these models like this, where the freezer is on top. So what's happening is the compressor is running the freezer. And what's happening is cold air will blow through down to here. So this actually usually doesn't have its own compressor. So you could probably see there's air coming through here. That's all coming from the freezer. So whether you want your freezer to be colder or your refrigerator depends. But let's look and see how you could change the temperature. So as you can see here on this model, you basically got 3 settings. This is warmer if you go to the left. All right, this is average with the dials up here in the middle, and this is colder if you go all the way to the right. So to make it cold, the freezer colder, you go all the way to the right. To make it warmer, you go all the way to the left. And by making your freezer colder, it's going to make your refrigerator colder. It's going to throw more cold air by making the freezer colder down through here. All right, make sure that there's no obstruction in there. So make sure that there's nothing blocking your vents that go through here. And as you can see there's vents that go through here. So if you have your freezer too packed up, too much stuff in your freezer, and you wonder why your refrigerator's not cold enough, you might need to remove some items from or just make sure that the vents are able to get through to where cold air can go down to the fresh food compartment. All right, but that gives you a gist of the idea of what you need to do. You could always do a reset on the refrigerator itself. To do that is to unplug it for about 15 minutes. If you can't reach it to unplug it, just go to your circuit breaker in your home and just turn that little switch off, and then verify that there's no power on your refrigerator. Keep it off for about 15 minutes and then turn it back on. That'll do a reset, and then see if that will fix the issue. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.